Everybody wants to grow, to succeed, and to reach the next level in life. It's a universal desire, whether it's in your career, relationships, finances, or personal development. But while the dream of growth is common, the willingness to go through the process is rare. Most people love the idea of success, but few are ready to embrace the journey it takes to get there. This video is about understanding what real growth actually looks like, and why it's so much more than just wanting it. Let's be honest, almost nobody wants the process that comes with growth. People often imagine that leveling up is about a sudden burst of motivation or a single big decision. But the truth is, growth is a journey filled with discomfort, discipline, and daily choices. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it and pushing through the tough moments. If you're serious about changing your life financially, spiritually, emotionally, or physically, this message is for you. Growth was easy, everyone would be successful. But the reality is, growth requires a different mindset, sacrifice, focus, discipline, and consistency. It's about making tough choices and sticking to them even when the results aren't immediate. The journey is uncomfortable, and that's exactly why so few people actually achieve real growth. It's not about a quick fix or a shortcut, it's about embracing the challenge and pushing through. Growth means waking up when you don't feel like it. It's about starting your day with intention even when you'd rather stay in bed. Those early mornings when you push yourself to get up and get moving are where real progress begins. It's not glamorous and it's not always fun, but it's necessary. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you're building the foundation for lasting change. Growth also means working when no one is watching. It's easy to put in effort when you're being recognized or praised, but true growth happens in the quiet moments. When you're alone, focused, and grinding away at your goals, you're developing the habits and resilience that set you apart. These silent efforts compound over time, leading to results that others will eventually notice. Another key part of growth is learning to say no to distractions. Whether it's social media, unnecessary outings, or anything that pulls you away from your goals, discipline means making tough choices. Every time you choose focus over distraction, you're reinforcing your commitment to growth. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it in the long run. At the beginning of any growth journey, it often feels hard and slow. You might feel like nothing is changing, no matter how much effort you put in. This is completely normal. The early stages are about building momentum and laying the groundwork for future success. It's important to trust the process and keep going, even when progress seems invisible. Before you see changes in your bank account, your body, or your results, your mindset must change first. The process of growth is often invisible at first. It's about shifting your beliefs, developing new habits, and becoming the kind of person who does what needs to be done. Once your mindset shifts, the external results will follow. If you believe growth is painful, you'll avoid it. But if you believe growth is possible, you'll pursue it. Your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your results. The way you think about growth determines whether you'll embrace the process or run from it. Choose to believe in your ability to change, and you'll find the motivation to keep going. To truly grow, you must become the type of person who does what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. This is where real growth begins. It's about building discipline and resilience so that your actions aren't dependent on how you feel in the moment. Over time, this consistency transforms you into someone who can achieve anything you set your mind to. Motivation is great, but it fades. Discipline, on the other hand, is what builds lasting change. You won't always feel inspired, ready, or confident. But if you show up daily, even at 50%, you're still ahead of the person who quit. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. That's the real secret to growth. Growth isn't about going all out for a short period of time. It's about showing up day after day and putting in the work. Intensity can lead to burnout, but consistency leads to results. Even small efforts repeated over time add up to big changes. Focus on being consistent, not just intense. There's a powerful concept from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. It teaches that small improvements every single day create massive results over time. You don't need to transform your life overnight. Instead, focus on getting just 1% better each day. These tiny changes compound, leading to extraordinary growth in the long run. Forget about making a 10x change overnight or transforming your life in 30 days. The real magic happens when you aim to be just 1% better every day. Read 10 pages, save a small amount of money, work out for 20 minutes, pray, meditate, or study. These small habits practiced daily will compound into massive results over time. Practicing small, positive habits every day is the key to growth. Whether it's reading, saving, exercising, or meditating, these actions build up over time. The more consistent you are, the more you'll see your efforts pay off. Growth isn't about one big leap, it's about the small steps you take every single day. You can grow financially by learning about money and investing in yourself. This might mean reading books, taking courses, or seeking advice from experts. The more you educate yourself, the better decisions you'll make. Financial growth is a journey, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Taking care of your body is another essential part of growth. This could mean exercising regularly, eating healthy, or simply moving more each day. Physical growth doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll see real changes. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Spiritual growth is about connecting with something greater than yourself. This might involve prayer, meditation, or simply taking time for reflection. The more you nurture your spirit, the more grounded and resilient you'll become. Spiritual growth supports every other area of your life, giving you the strength to keep going. Emotional growth means learning to manage your feelings and reactions. It's about developing self-awareness, practicing gratitude, and building resilience. The more you understand and accept your emotions, the better equipped you'll be to handle life's challenges. Emotional growth is a lifelong journey, but every step counts. As you work towards growth, don't forget to celebrate your small wins. Every step forward, no matter how tiny, is progress. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're moving in the right direction. Growth is a marathon, not a sprint, so take time to appreciate how far you've come. Growth is a lifelong journey. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when you want to quit. But if you stay consistent, keep your mindset strong, and focus on small daily improvements, you'll achieve more than you ever imagined. Remember, real growth isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Keep going, and your future self will thank you.